Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you Cortana just opened up. 1 second. That's a pretty bummer. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can create amazing looking, professional looking Facebook posts for free. Yeah, you don't have to use Photoshop, you don't have to use Paint, you don't have to use anything, and you don't even have to have great skills. Nothing is required, and this all is done for free. So how is that done? You can use canva.com. Now canva.com is a pretty amazing website which allows you to create a lot of content for free. Now for that you'll just have to go to obviously canva.com. Now once you're inside canva.com, if you're new to canva.com, you will be presented with a sign up page in which you will have to give your email address and then your some information like first name, last name, etc., and then account would be created for you. Now if you're smart enough to find out this video, this amazing video, I am sure you are smart enough to do that also. It's pretty basic stuff. If you have ever created a Gmail account, that is even harder than creating an account for Canva. Trust me. Now, once you're inside the Canva, to create a Facebook post, you'll have to go select Facebook post from the create a design section. Now, if your Facebook post option like over here is not shown in your section, then click on the more button over here, and just drag in the screen, and you will find Facebook post somewhere. Like for it would be here in social media posts. Click on the Facebook post, and once you have clicked on that, a new page would be opened. A new tab would be opened rather. Yeah. In this new tab, you will be presented with different layouts for your Facebook post. They are just being loaded here. These are professional quality different layouts for your Facebook post, and all are for free. It's pretty amazing in Canva. It's like it's giving away everything for free. Just grab it. So now if you want to create your Facebook post completely from scratch, you don't have to you don't want to take these pre-made templates. Just go to the background section and they create a background of your choice using these different patterns or even different images. Some are paid, some are free, just $1 minimal stuff. Or you can, and once you have used your background, then you can select any of the header from this font from here. Just drag from there over to here, and it would be shown up like this. Now you can edit and do whatever you want. It's just up to you. Now, but I promised you to I promised you to create to show you how to right now I promised you to show you how you can create professional photos, professional posts basically. I can't speak actually today. I'm idiot. Okay, so for that just go to this layouts section and select any of the template of your choice. There are lots and lots of template. Actually the list becomes everlasting sometimes. It just goes on and on and on and on. There are different posts for different occasion, like Father's Day, Dad's post is over here, and different posts. Now I'll just let me select a random post from here. Like I just love New York, so I'll select this one. Now once you click on this, just see how easy it was. Now it is very professional looking, so you can just modify it a bit. Like you can use a cartoony font if you want to make it a bit cartoony. Where's the cartoony font? Font. What the hell? I don't even know the names of different fonts, so it's very hard for me to find out. Just let's choose any font. Just no need to whatever the font is. And you can see it just changed. Now if I want to change the font for this one, it's railway heavy. Now if I want to use like this font, thanks for service, you can see that how easy it is for you to create a post. Now if you don't like the template at all, if you want to completely start over, just click on different template and it will ask you, do you want to replace? Yes, completely changed, everything's gone. Here's everything new. Now if I want to edit anything over here, I can just edit. It's not faith, it's technology, it's faith in people. It's pretty good quote from Steve Jobs actually. Yeah, app.co. That's how you can just create different posts. You can use different professional posts, different free ones. There are lots of them. Some posts are paid, like this one is paid, so you will see a small dollar sign on the bottom right, but most of them are free, so you will see free written on the bottom right. Now to use this post, you can even use this for this post for free. For that you will be getting these crossed lines over your post everywhere, so it's not worth it. But the thing is, it's very cheap to just buy the image itself. Like if I click download and click the download png, it will ask me to buy the subscription or just one time use. So there are different payment methods. Like if I just want to use it once, it's very cheap actually, just $1. It's not much of a money. Even in Indian currency, it's just 50-60 rupees. That's not a lot of money. So if it's really good, just go for it. But if it's not that good, then just look for some free one. What's stopping you from going to different one? No filter, and there are lots and lots of posts. You can just create a very professional looking luxurious page with the help of canva.com itself. I create a lot of posts for Instagram using the Canva itself. Now once you are pretty happy with whatever you created, like I'll just rename this one too, from no fap to no filter to no fap, just for fun. Yeah, and then just download. This is pretty NSFW, so I'm sorry for the children watching. I don't care actually. So once you have liked your image, just click on the download button over there and select the type of the image. I mostly use PNG, and once that all was selected, it was pretty easy to download. Now I'm using free download manager, so that's why I downloaded in this one. Now once it's downloaded completely, you'll just get your file. No strings attached. Guess what? No Canva written, nothing. No one can find out that it was made with Canva. And see the quality. It's so... just a second. It's just download no filter one. I forgot to edit, and once you have edited whatever you want to edit, you will have to click outside, or else it will just download whatever was there before. So I just clicked outside. Now I'll download it once again using the same process, and I can download it hundreds of times, no problem. It will do it every time for free. Just click on the download button, and here you can see it's edited. Now see how easy it is to edit them and how professional they look. So that was pretty much about it, how you can create Facebook posts with the help of Canva. It's completely free, it's completely professional, it's very easy. So what's stopping you from creating? Just create lots and lots of posts for Instagram, for Facebook. I've already created videos for Instagram. Either I'll be uploading them before this video or after this video, but they'll be there in my channel itself, so just check out them out. I've also created a video how you can use Canva to create Facebook covers. Now a lot of people have a lot of problem with creating Facebook covers. Like they outsource the Facebook covers to people for like $50, sometimes $100. You can even start your business with using these things. So I know you are thanking me for all this. I know that. I got a feeling. My pleasure, mention not. But apart from that, it's pretty nice teaching you guys and sharing whatever I know, and I'll be glad if you share what you know in the comment section below. That would be pretty amazing. And apart from that, thanks for watching. Do give a thumbs up below the video. There's a button for thumbs up, just click on that. It would be amazing. And just subscribe to my channel. That big button, you know that, you know everything. So yada yada, just do everything, subscribe, thumbs up and all, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.